Hi, my name is Mark. I'm going to teach you about conditional formatting today. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is our way of telling the Excel how to format the cells. For example, you can use the conditional formatting to change the font colors of the cells or a background color of it. It can be done manually, but it is a very repetitive process, and especially if you have a large numbers of values, it might take a very long time. So the conditional formatting does it for us automatically. Hello and welcome back. Let's start the lecture about conditional formatting. So first, before we start, let's open up a document I have prepared here early before the class started. Okay, now condition formatting is located in your Home tab menu, right in the center of the screen. Before we start, we have to select the cells that we want to work on. So we're selecting the document, all the values, and we click on the conditional formatting. That gives you a drop-down menu. In the menu, we have different types of rules we can apply to the cells. We can use colors to actually make it visually easier to see, to read the document. And we can use the color scales, which will color appropriately each cell. We can also use the icon sets and the data bars, which we're going to use for our example. So let's choose blue one. And as you can see, all the cells got applied the rule to it, and this sidebar is showing on each value. That makes it much easier to see the highest and lowest values on the document. Now we can also modify the rules by going back to the conditional formatting, scroll down to the manage rules. Now we can pick a rule. Selection will be our worksheet, and we can edit the rules. For example, let's remove the numbers and leave the bars only. It's here, press OK, and OK. See what I've done? It removed all the numbers from the values from the worksheet and left the bars on, which are very easy to see. The next thing, we're gonna remove the format from the cells. In order to do so, we have to select the cells, go back to conditional formatting. On the bottom of it, you see clear rules. You can select clear rules from the selected cells only, or you can clear the rules from the entire document. Just like that. And it's done. Everything is back to normal. Now, Format Painter. Format Painter is used to actually copy the cell format to another cell instantly and make it look like just like the cell that you want to copy from. In order to do so, we have to select the cell that we want to take the copy format. Press the Format Painter tool. That will select the cell to be copied, and simply press on any cell that you want to apply the format to, just like that.